Hi, I'm Therese with Inspired to Sew in Cedar Rapids. You know, one of the questions that we get most about sergers is, I don't use my serger very much. How else can I use it? Or it's kind of difficult to thread and so I don't use my serger a whole lot. Well, I have got the class for you to learn both of those things. Deb Canham, one of the BabyLock instructors, is coming to our store on October 17th, 18th, and 19th. She's doing 3 different classes. You can come to one day or come for all 3, and you save a little bit of money on the class registration fee. We have kits put together for all 3 classes, or you can choose your own kits from the supply list that we've included. We're going to be making a robe where you will learn the construction and finishing techniques. We'll be doing one of Deb's totes. This is a really great tote that has a lot of different embellishment features, all done on a serger. Even the handles were made on a serger. And the third day, Deb is doing her serger cachet, which is a fun little tote with a lid that you can do a lot of decorative work on it. So whether you're new to a serger, you don't own a serger yet, or you haven't had a lot of experience, you're going to learn a lot about different techniques, features, and accessories to get the most out of your sewing experience. Register today on our website or give us a call to finalize that. We can't wait to see you.